LearnEngg is a content-based, e-learning platform for engineering and polytechnic courses. LearnEngg platform is proud to announce to be part of NEET initiative by MHRD and AICTE. 70 engineering and 90 polytechnic subjects are readily available for free access. 12,300 hours of content, 24,000 3D-2D animations, 120,000 pages of content, 7,100 solved problems, 25,000 assessments to be covered in 9 engineering departments and readily available in the platform. Visual learning solution, that is VLS, acts as an effective teaching aid and self-learning tool. Each subject contains over 600 slides, texts, 2D illustrated drawings, assessments, derivations and exercises, along with 3D animation of real-life applications and industry practices to help students develop holistic understanding of the subject, thereby turning them industry-ready. Contents are explained in topic-wise and point-by-point manner with relevant illustrated images as per prescribed syllabus. 2D 3D animations are explained with physical design and real-time example in each topic for better with voice-over. Problems are solved step by step with all the finer details and provided suitable 3D 2D demonstrations for real-life application of given problems. In each topic, self-assessment and frequently asked university questions are provided and users can test themselves by undertaking the assessment.